Welcome to TeamBoard for Monday.com. In this video, we'll show you the key features that make TeamBoard perfect for managing resources and tracking time. Let's dive in. With TeamBoard, you can add new views to your Monday.com boards or manage multiple projects on one board. Let's start with resource planning. With our resource scheduler, you can easily allocate tasks to team members, ensuring optimal workload distribution. The workload view and timeframe view give you an overview of capacity compared to planned hours, helping you manage team availability effectively. Create, assign, and track tasks easily. Sync tasks with the main Monday.com table to keep everything in one place. Next, the calendar view gives you a visual representation of all your tasks and holidays over time. Easily planning for a new task and get a clear view of deadlines and milestones. Track your team's time with our time tracking feature. Time logs and timesheets, along with the approval process, help you keep track of hours worked. Managing multiple projects. Manage multiple projects on one board using the dashboard view, giving you a clear picture of all your work. TeamBoard offers many more features to enhance your project management experience, like enhanced recurring tasks, advanced reporting, and more. Thanks for watching this overview of TeamBoard for Monday.com. Stay tuned for our next detailed tutorial, where we'll show you how to set up mapping fields for one board or multiple boards. See you next time.